hi there. My name is Tanya, and welcome to 5-Minute Coding Calculating Python, Part 1. Python, like any other software, can perform any type of math from simple to complex, as long as it's coded correctly. All math calculations follow the order of operation, also known as PEMDAS, which is the acronym for the order in which the operations take place. The P stands for parentheses. The E stands for exponents. The M stands for multiplication. The D stands for division. The A stands for addition. And the S stands for subtraction. Now, with the order of operations, the symbols for the order of operations, or what is called the operators, are as follows. Addition is the symbol of a plus sign. The minus sign stands for subtraction. The asterisk represents multiplication. 2 asterisks stands for exponents, which means it's raised to a power. The slash is for division. 2 slashes is division, but doesn't show the decimals. It says it shows you the answer for your division, but it doesn't show if it has any remainders or any decimal points in the answer. You'll only get whole numbers. Then you have the percent. The percent just tells you what the remainder is. So if you were actually doing a division, you wouldn't see the answer for the division. All you would see is if it had a remainder using the percent symbol. So let's try it out using REPL.it so that we could see how these math operators work. First, we're going to type the word print. And remember, when you are typing in commands inside of Python, everything is lowercase. So we're going to do print, open parentheses, 350. You mean the plus sign, and you need 427. So what that basically is saying, print on the screen the answer for 350 plus 427. And then you press enter to do another line of code. If you just want to see the answer for 350 plus 427, you just would click on the word run to get your answer, which is 777. We can do another math operator, which is going to be subtraction. So we're going to put in print, and we're going to put in 987 minus 120. And then it's going to give us both answers, being that we have the print for number 1 and another line of code, which is print number 2. We're going to get both answers. So we click on run, and you have the 777 for 350 plus 420. And then you have the 867 for 987 minus 120. So let's go along and put in multiple lines of code. Okay, so as you can see, we have multiplication, division, and then which is called floor division. That is so that it doesn't show the decimal places, and this one shows the results. And then the last one is raised to a power. Let's run this and see what we get. Okay. Thank you for joining us today for the basic calculations in Python. For more details, be prepared for part 2. Thanks.